Hello children, this is Vijayalakshmi from Chandrayanta Boys 1. Today we are going to discuss about the trigonometry. This trigonometric word is derived from the Greek word. This trigonometry is the combination of three Greek words. First one, tri, gonia and metri. Tri means here 3. Gonia means angles. Metri means measure. Trigonometry is 3 angles measure. It is a branch from the mathematics which deals with the relation between angles and sides. Using this relation of angles and sides, we are finding the long distances and sea depths, etc. Generally, we are taking in trigonometry right angle triangles. I take a right angle triangle ABC. Here at B is 90 degrees. We are knowing about the name of side AB and BC and AC now. Here always in right angle triangle, the largest side is known as hypotenuse. Here we have right angle triangle, that means it is 90 degrees. Here 90 degrees, then automatically remaining 2 angles are acute angles. These acute angles, I take one as theta. Now we are naming the sides. How to naming the sides? We are according to the angle theta, we are naming the sides. The opposite side of theta. The opposite side of theta is AB. So, it is called opposite side. Opposite side of theta. Next, the angle theta is made with the AC and BC. The largest side is always hypotenuse. Remaining side is called adjacent side. Here the opposite of angle theta is called opposite side of theta. This BC is called adjacent side of theta. The largest side is always hypotenuse. Trigonometric ratios. Here we have 3 basic trigonometric ratios and remaining 3 are the multiplicative inverse ratios. First one, sine. Sine. Here SIN, sine is the short form of sine. Next one, cosine. The short form of cosine is cos. Third one is tangent. The short form of tangent is tan. These are the basic trigonometric ratios. Another 3 multiplicative inverse ratios. Here multiplicative inverse ratio of sine is cosecant. The short form of cosecant is cosec. The multiplicative inverse ratio of cosine is secant. The short form is sec. Sixth one, the multiplicative inverse of tangent is cotangent. The short form of cotangent is cot. Here we are knowing the definitions of all these trigonometric ratios. The first trigonometric ratio is sine. Let triangle ABC. Here at B is 90 degrees. Angle C is an acute angle. I let angle C is equal to theta. Let angle C is equal to theta. How to define the sign? The opposite side of angle theta, it is the opposite side. It is the opposite side. The opposite side of angle theta by hypotenuse. Here, what is the definition of sine? Means the opposite side of angle theta by hypotenuse. The ratio of opposite side of angle theta and the hypotenuse. Therefore, sin theta equal to side of theta by hypotenuse. What is the name of opposite side of triangle ABC? Is AB. What is the name of hypotenuse? AC. It is the definition of sin theta, opposite side of theta by hypotenuse. Now cos. Cos means cosine. Here we have to define the cosine. How to define the cosine? Here already we know this side is called adjacent side. The ratio between the adjacent side and hypotenuse is called the cosine. How to define the ratio of adjacent side of theta and hypotenuse. Shortly we are write like cos theta is equal to adjacent side of theta by hypotenuse. Here what is the name of adjacent side in triangle ABC? It is BC. The name of hypotenuse in triangle ABC is AC. It is the definition of cosine or cos. Third trigonometric ratio is tangent. The definition of tangent is the ratio between the opposite side of angle theta and adjacent side of theta. The ratio of opposite side of theta and adjacent side of theta. Here we have another definition also is there for tangent. It is the ratio between of sin theta and also cos theta. Shortly we are saying tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, or opposite side of angle theta theta by adjacent side of theta. Here, what is the opposite side of theta? AB. What is the adjacent side of theta? Is BC. Tan theta is equal to, for the right angle triangle ABC is AB by BC. The adjacent side of angle theta and the opposite side of angle theta. The fourth trigonometric ratio is cotangent. The short form of cotangent is cot. The definition of the cotangent is the ratio between the definition of the cotangent is the ratio of adjacent side of angle theta and opposite side of angle theta. Side of theta. It is also has another definition, which is the ratio of cos theta and sin theta. Cos theta and sin theta. You can write like cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta, or adjacent side of theta by adjacent side of theta by opposite side of theta. From the figure triangle ABC, we can write cot theta as BC by AB. BC is the adjacent side. BC by, what is the opposite side? AB. We can write adjacent side BC by opposite side AB. The fifth trigonometric ratio is secant. The short form is sec. It is the multiplicative inverse of cos. So we can write sec is equal to, sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta also. It is the multiplicative inverse of cos theta. That's why we are write cos theta, sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. The definition of the sec theta is the ratio of hypotenuse and adjacent side of angle theta. Adjacent side of theta. From the figure we can write sec theta as, from the figure here we write sec theta as hypotenuse. What is the hypotenuse? AC is the hypotenuse by adjacent side. What is the adjacent side here? BC. So from the figure we can write AC by BC. It is the secant. The last trigonometric ratio, sixth one, cosecant. The short form of cosecant is cosec. It is the multiplicative inverse of sine. That's why we are write cosec is 1 by sine. The definition of the cosec is the ratio of hypotenuse by opposite side of theta. Opposite side of theta. From the figure we have to write cosec theta is equal to what is the hypotenuse here? AC. AC by what is the opposite side of theta? It is AB. From the figure we have to write the cosec theta is AC by AB. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios. Now in next video we are solve the problems on this.